Andrew, so good to see you. A really important story today. Let's talk about the ACA cliff, the $1 income mistake that could cost you thousands in health insurance. One of the biggest surprises people face when retiring early has nothing to do with investments, it's healthcare. And starting this year, a little known rule under the ACA is creating a shocking outcome. Earning just one extra dollar of income could cost you thousands in additional premium costs. Can you explain what changed?
And what an eye opener this is for
Yeah.
clients, right? So, unfortunately, as we went through COVID, we saw that the subsidies for the ACA had run out. So,
Yeah.
because of that, they had to go through and look at some repricing. And what you'll see here is if you were to earn $82,001, you are going to see your premium skyrocket from under
Wow.
800 to almost 1800, right? So it's a massive difference in what you would see in your premiums. And it's something we want to be there to help our clients fully understand the changes that have been made.
Right. So, what does this mean for people who need health care before they're eligible for Medicare, which starts at 65?
Yes, we've got folks that come in every week to our office trying to figure out how do we bridge this gap until they get to Medicare, right?
Yeah.
And more than ever, this requires thoughtful planning. And I think that that's one of the biggest pieces of advice that we can give to anyone that's looking at retiring early is that this brings a totally new light to the game that we have to be prepared for.
Really? Yeah, absolutely. So, who gets hit the hardest?
Those that don't have a plan,
Yeah.
specifically a tax plan for tax-free income, right?
Hmm.
Because what we see is that they're going to want to have good quality of life. Many times these are younger retirees, they're traveling, they're trying to enjoy themselves, but that requires having income that they're accustomed to having, right? And if we push ourselves into the wrong tax bracket or above that 82,000, we see now what that penalty can be.
Hmm. Okay. So, Andrew, let's say I want to retire early. I want to retire at 55. What can I do to avoid this income trap?
Roth conversions, right? I would tell you that getting yourself a pile full of tax-free money is what your goal has to be under the Secure Act. How they have, this is just another example of how they have downgraded IRAs and upgraded how important Roth conversions are and Roth accounts are for retirement income planning, tax planning, and what you're going to do for overall estate planning, right? I think another thing I would mention is the other triple tax, they're the only triple tax advantage account that we have. We've got the HSA, right? So the opportunity to go through and have contributions that were tax deductible, growth that is tax free, and qualified withdrawals, as long as they are for medical expenses, those are coming out tax free as well. So great tool that we can take advantage of with proper planning.
Right. And again, as you're saying this, it's clear that proactive planning is key. Income isn't just about taxes anymore. This is directly affecting your healthcare costs as well.
No doubt about it. And that's what we're seeing is that without proper planning, now you're caught in between the pinch of, do I take out extra money and go over the limit? Do I not live the
Right.
lifestyle that I'd
Right.
like to have, that I've worked so hard all these years to get through? So it's a caveat. It's something in the wrench, but it's something that can be overcome. And that's why we would recommend working with a professional team that can help get you through that so we can enjoy our retirement and not have to walk on eggshells to, worry about IRMA and Medicare.
I know, so many potholes there.
Mhm.
This is a really helpful conversation, Andrew, because I think that this change really caught a lot of people off guard. So, if somebody is looking to retire early, again, getting that plan in place, the sooner the better. What's the best way to reach you with questions?
Yes, we'd love to have them. Go right to my email and or send an email to me, awagner@wagnerwealth.org, or go right to our website, wagnerwealth.org. You can schedule a time with our team. We'd love to walk you through this and make sure that you don't get caught in the trap.
Absolutely. Andrew, thank you.
Thank you.